BTW.
Hi, we are going to introduce to you a new activity. It's called Let's Get Alphabet Fit. We're going to do this activity every time we introduce to you new vocabulary words here in PE. Let's get started.
Hi guys, I am Miss Swinson and I'm going to show you our first exercise of the day. Okay, so for the letter A, we are all going to do a jumping jack. So when you do a jumping jack, you're just going to jump up and out, up and out. And that is the letter A. For the letter B, I'm going to show you 3 different push-ups. The first one, we're just going to go ahead and hop down to the ground. And this is a regular push-up. So when you go down, try to touch your chest. Miss Winston can't, but she did her best. And then I'm going to show you how to do a girl push-up. So you put your knees on the ground, and then you do the same thing. And then the third push-up is hand release. So lay down, hands are up, we push up, come down, and up. Push up, down, hands are up. Okay, now let's move on to the letter C. The letter C is jump ropes. Just like you have a jump rope in your hand, you're just gonna jump. Awesome job, guys. Now we're gonna move to the letter D. D are squats, okay? So we're gonna have our feet about shoulder width apart, and you're just gonna squat parallel. And up, down, up, one more, down, up. And the last letter is E. And for E, these are mountain climbers. These are Miss Winston's favorite. So I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see me. My hands are gonna go touch the floor, and I'm gonna bring my knee up to my elbow, but really fast. As fast as you can, keep your bottom down. And those are your letters, A through E.
Hi BTW, this is Miss Hernandez. Shout out to kindergarten. I am going to take you through the letters F to J. So we are going to start with shoulder taps. So what you're going to do for a shoulder tap is you have 2 options. You can get on your knees and you can tap your shoulders like this, or you can take your legs all the way out and tap your shoulders. This is a shoulder tap. Now we are going to do jog in place for the letter G. Let's jog in place. Jog in place. You can move side to side, forward and backwards. Jog in place. Good job. Now we're going to do the letter H, and that is burpees. You have 2 options for burpees. The first option is you can go down, step it out, step back in, step back in. That's one option for the burpee. Or you can get a little crazy and jump it out. So what you're back raises. And you're just getting up on your tippy toes a few times. And then, for letter N, we're going to do a high plank, which is a plank when you're up on your hands and your body is straight like a horse. Just like that. All right, guys. Woohoo! Yes, Ramirez. I'm a first grade teacher, but I'm going to start off with the letter O. So we're going to do squat jump. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your feet apart, go down like you're touching your calves, and then go up and a jumping jump. You're going to do that again. So feet out, like you're touching your calves, up and a jumping jump. That's the letter O. For the letter P, we're going to do lunges. You're going to start with your feet together. You're going to put your right foot forward. Then come back. Same thing with the left leg. Then come back. For the letter Q, we're going to do big arm circles. So make your arm really big arm circles. Forward. And then backwards. There you go. Then for the letter R, we're going to do high knees. So you're going to try to touch your hands. Put your hands in front of your body. And then just try to touch your hands. Woo! There you go. Then for the letter S, we're going to go down and do bicycle kicks. You're going to go ahead and lay down. Hands on your head. And just like you're riding a bicycle. Right foot up, left foot up. Right foot up, left foot up. There you go, guys. Woo. Now we're going to have Mrs. Storga.
Hello, BTW students. My name is Mrs. Storga. I'm going to be showing you what you're doing for letter T. We are doing inchworm. So what you have to do is start off with your feet together. You can have your arms together, and then you're going to crawl forward like so. Then you're going to come back like so. Okay? We'll try that one more time. So you're walking, you're going down, putting your arms on the ground, walking forward, and going backwards, like so. All right, and then for the letter U, we are doing the second forearm plank. So what you want to do is go to the ground, put your arms on the floor, and then you're lifting your whole body up, straight, feet up, tiptoes, and then you're staying in this position for however long you need to. All right, awesome. Next one is the letter B, star jumps, all right? So you are going to be like Patrick Star. You're jumping to be just like him. Are you ready? This is what you're going to do. 1, 2, you're going to start off with your feet together. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You are Patrick Star. Let's do that one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Awesome. All right, next one is the leg lifts. We're going to go down, lay down on the racks, all the way, feet on the floor, together, and you are lifting both legs up, like so. Putting them down, and let's do it again. Up, down. Awesome job, boys and girls. Woo! Now here goes
Miss Hernandez. Okay, guys, good job. We are going to do the letter X. Very similar to leg lifts. So you are going to lay down on your back. This is called an alternating V-up. So you're laying flat on your back. You are going to bring one leg up at a time. Let's start with our left leg. Bring it up and touch it. Now your right leg. Bring it up and touch it. Let's do that again. Left leg. Bring it up and touch. One more time. Right leg. Bring it up and touch. Way to go. Let's finish off those letters strong. Good job.
Hi guys, I'm going to introduce to you the letter Y, and it's our side lunge. So you will step out to the right and just go a little bit line down and keep your legs straight. Come back We can go to the left side. And let's try that again. Going this side. Come back up. Back to this side. And for the letter Z, it is free choice. So I think I'll do lunges. So step forward, bring yourself back. Left leg, bring yourself back. I hope you like this activity. Let's get started on getting strong.
All right, guys, great job at completing this video. Shout out to all of our second graders, because I'm a second grade teacher, especially Miss Swinson and Miss Tetra's class. Let's get moving.